Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, supercharger. Come test drive the 2016 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.